hey, there's always a process with everything. Step by step, one thing at a time. You can do this work. I know you can. I'm just an average Joe, and if I can do this work, so can you. Now, doing patches, I've done enough now to where I know what I'm doing, and I can make them smooth as a baby's butt. And you can too. All you have to do is do one step at a time. Watch my videos where I show you step by step how to install that. And you don't have to be a professional with this, but you know, the more patching you do, just the better you're going to get. But I show you tips along the way as to how to continue to get it smooth. You're not going to get it perfect the first time you put mud on the wall, but you know, the beauty of the mud is if you get lines in it and stuff, you can put another coat over it. And then you can put another coat over that and get it smoother. And you'll start learning how to mix up the mud, because I always use quick set. And I use this stuff right here doing all my patches, this lightweight setting type joint compound, and this is 20-minute and easy sand, and I use that. They got 15-minute, 20-minute, 30-minute, 45-minute, 60-minute mud, hot mud. You put that on your patches, and then it'll dry in enough time for you to wipe it down and then put another coat on at the same time. Okay, so that's why I use that quick set. But hey, check out my channel on all my sheetrock stuff. Go to my playlist on my main channel page, scroll down to where you see the sheetrock videos, and have at it. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.